this doesn't work, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have tried to record so many times, but none of them have been good, or they've literally just been interrupted. And next time, if you want my brother to come, it will be a miracle. Where's my gun? Where is my gun? Where is my gun? Why can't I jump? I don't even have... Okay, I'm gonna have to set. Oof. Double oof. Come on, gun, please. Okay, let's go. Ooh, enemy. Get him. Okay, I am bad at this game. I am real bad at this. Oh. Headshot. Some there. I'm trying to get him from far. Okay. Told you guys I'm bad at the game. Where did my body go? Did you guys see my body? Hit comment down below if you guys saw my body in the first shot. Boom. A boom. Booyah. Oh. We found him. Let's get him. Get him. Ooh, I got him. She got me. Nice. I got her. She got me. I got the high ground. Now. Everybody loosen. Okay. Ooh, that was close. Ooh, I tried to move. Ooh. Dude. Oof. Come on. Get him. And no, my lord. Even higher. Dini Foo again. Okay, my brother said that. Whew. God, I am bad. How'd he get me from there? Man, you must have aimbot or something. Oh, he's just playing in CPU. Why didn't I just do that? Well, there he goes. Oh. Got him. Let's go. We got him. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Ooh, I also. No. Ooh, no. Got him. No. Got him. What? Come on. We can get him. Okay, he's already on. Ooh, look at that skill. Ooh. This shot is coming out of nowhere. What? How did he see me? Did he see my bullet? How did he see me? Bro. Get him. What? Okay, it came. Hey, victory! I've played a lot of Wild Revolvers like before, even on the laptop. Can you see on the laptop? Not much playing on the laptop. Okay. Why does it say zombie? I'm a sheriff. Oh my goodness gracious, Johnny. Oh, I was concentrating. I got a kill from the start. Got him. Got revenge for myself. I'm getting better. Okay, as I say I'm getting better, I just get cold. Oh my god. Okay, give me the gun. Give me the gun. Give me the good stuff. I got an exotic gun. What was the name again? Ooh, I actually don't remember. Inventory. A General's 45. They saved up a lot for the exotic. I didn't even wanna. Who, hacker? Who's that? Ooh, you ain't getting me. You ain't getting me. Okay, you are getting me. What was that bullet? Did you guys see that bullet? Or was that just me? Got him. Ooh, Tiger got 9124. Man, he's playing good. Well, not him, but he got a good shot of me. Oh my goodness. Okay, you can jump high. Oh, okay, I see someone. No, man, Lynchman is doing good. Okay, I have a guitar near me. I set up for it. Every time I die, I'm going to play this string. It is going to be very annoying because I could die again. My god. My god. My god. Oh my god. Got it. Right, I saw the name. I saw them. Ooh, I see the name. I see them. Ooh. Man, from the back. Okay, they're hiding there. Ooh, rather get your hiding spots. What? What? Huh? Oh, got him. I'm speechless. Ooh, not today. Not today. These guys are camping. These guys are camping that area. Bro. Man, they are good. They are good. We are going to lose. We have definitely lost. Yeah, we lost. Oh my, where was I? 7th place. Seventh place. You gotta be joking me. Oh my god. Okay guys, last round. We gotta get this win. We gotta get the W. And I forgot to say the light goal for today. Today's like goal is 1 like. Yeah, 1 like. Which is not from my family. Yep, definitely hacking, bro. Has this lynching person said anything now? Goodness gracious. What? I didn't even see them until the last second. Okay, boys, we gotta get at least 1 kill on this one. Why is it stuck? Okay, it is slow. We are not getting the gun this one. Got him. What? She's hacking. Hacks. How? There's no one there. Literally. I am the worst player. Oh! Okay, it's definitely been more than 4 seconds. That took 4 seconds. Okay, this is taking a bit long. I might actually have to say it. What? Nothing's working. And this is glitched out. I'm finishing the video. I'm getting too mad. No, I ain't. Please, just I'm hiding. If they get me in that. I'm gonna keep an eye on my. Come on, give me the gun. Give me the. Okay, I'm resetting. Okay, nothing is working. Man, why are revolvers? Fix this game. Okay, finally, the gun's back. Okay, thank you. Oh my god, I don't want to play. I don't want to play this game anymore. Where was my character? Okay, now show me my character. Can anyone else see me? Yep. Yep. Okay, this game is broken. Okay, I'll see you guys next time, I guess. Goodbye.